This is the main control panel. These icons on the left control your ability to turn on or off the lights inside, auxiliary system, outdoor lights, or water pump, which you need to turn on around 15 minutes before you want to use a shower. And on the right we have the battery level as a percentage or voltage of the front cabin part of the camper van. The back part, or the actual camping part of the camper van. The voltage indicator to indicate how many volts you are using at any one time. The charging indicator with an A- for if you're not charging. The percentage level of the freshwater tank. The percentage level of the wastewater tank. And the temperature indicator for the current temperature inside the vehicle.